Hey everyone, welcome back to Art Scoop. Christmas is around the corner and I'm literally counting days till when I'll be able to celebrate Christmas. Like, who isn't excited? So let's make this fun Christmas countdown DIY together. Start off by taking an A4 sheet and fold it by leaving about an inch, and then fold the remaining part inwards with the help of a ruler. Score it well with the help of scale, scissor or any scoring tool you have. Now apply glue on this fold and paste it to seal it completely. Again take the base and fold this in half, and from the bottom fold it again about an inch. Score it well and paste them together to make a shape of triangle. This will be the base of our Christmas countdown. I am using cello tape here, but you can also use Fevicol or glue gun as per your choice. I found this cute Santa template from Pinterest. I'll link it down in the description box for you guys. Cut down the Santa and the banner which says Countdown to Christmas and paste it on the base. Also, if you are new to the channel, please like, share and subscribe to Art Scoop. I make cool and easy DIYs videos for you guys. This is super cute and gives Christmassy vibes. Now keep coloring the number till you reach Christmas. See you next time.